Here's how to turn off Seen on Instagram DMs. Now, if you're on Instagram on your iPhone or you have an Android, it works the exact same. You can always get to your messages and find a message that might say Seen. This indicates that you're sending your read receipts to them and indicating when you have read that message. You can turn that off for an individual or across the board on all of your DMs. To turn it off for just this person, you can tap at the top, and from here, you can always just toggle off that read receipt. However, let's say I wanted to, instead of doing that, turn that off across the board on all of my messages. To be able to do that, we need to get to your settings. Within the settings, they constantly move this around, but I'll show you where it currently is. If you don't see it in there, you can just search for it. Now from here, all we're going to do is tap on the messages, and from here you can see read receipts. Keep in mind, when you turn this off, it will turn it off across all of your messages, and then individually you can choose to turn on or off the Seen or read receipts.